What if a map could tell your store's customer coverage area in seconds? Using map layers in MAPOG, you can turn customer spreadsheets into powerful location insight, great for retail, logistics, sales, and marketing. Open storied.mapog.com and load the map that already has your store pinned. Go to Process Custom Location and click Add by uploading CSV or Excel. Pick Select Custom Location Template, add a new attribute type named Customer, and set the feature to point. Under that, add attributes like purchase volume, sales volume, purchase frequency, spending level. These make the layer smart and filterable. Select the custom location type you created, upload your CSV, set customer ID as the unique ID, then match your spreadsheet columns to the attributes. Choose your latitude and longitude fields, submit, and watch customer points auto-plot on the map. Now go to Add Style layer. Pick Basic Style, give colors by attribute, and save. Open Customer Edit Point Details to add images. Save again. In Moments, you can see density, spot high-value neighborhoods, target campaigns, and optimize logistics, all from the same map. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@theratemaPog.com anytime.